Good afternoon. We are performing a sewer scope inspection on a property on North Hacienda Drive in Sun City. There are no cleanouts, so we are accessing from the main primary 3-inch cleanout on the roof. As you can see here, we're transitioning from the roof stack, which is an asbestos pipe, into cast iron piping. As you can see, there is scaling, which is common to see with cast iron piping. We are still in the vent section. We should soon be hitting the lateral. Here we are hitting the turn into, nope, apologies. We are still continuing down and now turning into the lateral section. As you can see, there is heavy scaling, which is common for cast iron piping. Cast iron piping has an average life expectancy of somewhere between 50 and 75 years. Sometimes it can be less, sometimes it can be more. You can see how the rough piping is causing the camera head to chatter and shake. See, we've got a large amount of buildup on the right side here, and the bottom of the pipe is very rough. Again, very rough scaling. These scales and rough areas, like you can see there, can catch and hold toilet paper, waste, food materials, leading to obstructions and backups. See, during the remodel, it looks like that they poured some paint down the drain. This could be another material, but since the house appears to have been recently repainted, oh, here we can see excessive buildup. This would most likely cause an obstruction. Here at about 21 feet, it does appear that there is a crack along the, backing up. It does appear that there is a crack at the top of the pipe. You can see it quite clearly there at 20.7 feet at the top there. There does appear to be a large split crack in the pipe. It does appear to continue for at least 1 to several feet. Again, very heavy buildup, scaling. You can see that almost half the pipe diameter has been lost here. And again, you can see what appears to be that crack continuing at the top of the pipe. This piping should be roto-rooted, augered, or hydrojetted as a plumber recommends to get the full, to clean the pipe so we can see the full extent of the deterioration and damage. And we'll most likely need relining or replacement. Again, a pretty heavy scaling and possibly a crack on the right side of the pipe wall. Again, we can see the pipe diameter has been reduced to the excessive buildup. Here we are transitioning to a different pipe material. It appears to be ABS. You can see that we are holding water here, so there is a belly. And as you can see, the camera head has gone underwater, and there is a large obstruction here that has caused this backup. I'm attempting to push through. It does appear that we were able to push through there. Again, you can see a lot of material buildup at the bottom of the piping here. Perhaps it is not ABS, it might still be, it does appear to still be cast iron. Bottom of the pipe is very heavily grooved here, but we also may be into the city sewer connection where we had that transition. Nope, here's going to be our city connection where it is transitioning to clay piping. Perhaps the pipe we're in, because of its oval shape, it might actually be Orangeburg. Orangeburg is known for its deterioration and actually ovaling due to deterioration and compression over time, and it can even squish flat, causing obstructions. And here you can see we're at the city tap. Once again, this piping needs to be cleaned and then re-scoped to fully evaluate the amount of damage and deterioration. It is highly likely that several sections may need replacement, and possibly all piping may need relining. That is the end of this inspection. Thank you and have a good day.